This is Alex Brunner presenting the automatic door lock for Mechatronics 1. So this idea came from the fact that my 3-year-old daughter can open our child safety locked doors. So we don't want her going out in the street because she knows how to open it. So I thought of this. So we have our deadbolt lock hooked up to a servo motor. We have our LCD screen here, user input with this keypad, and also a sensor with our IR remote. So what you do, you put in the correct password, and if it's correct, these green lights will go ahead and let you know that it's opening, and if it's incorrect, the red light and also a buzzer will let you know that it's not the correct password. So let's hit the reset button real fast. Alright, let's do the incorrect password first. Now let's try the correct password. Alright, and you can also do it with this keypad here. We'll do the correct password. Alright, now let's look in the custom made box here just for this occasion. Here we have our buzzer and lights hooked up. The lights are right there, and there's our sensor, the LCD screen in the back here, and the keypad hooked up all up to the Arduino and powered with the power cord there. Well, that's my project. Hope you enjoy.